Hello, my name is Donna Marie and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be preparing black bean and quinoa meatballs, a host of roasted vegetables, penne pasta with marinara sauce, and I'll use the vegetables to make a variety of different salads. Today is my weekly meal prep day and I'll show you exactly what I do to prepare meals to last me for a couple days this week. Thank you. We're going to start with roasting some vegetables. One golden beet. It's time to make the meatballs. I'm going to chop my seasoning, some onion, garlic. In the little bowl there is oregano, red pepper flakes. I'm going to add some bell pepper and a little water. Now to make our Parmesan cheese with cashews, nutritional yeast, garlic powder, and sea salt. It is good stuff. Baking my black beans. Now it's time to start cooking and combining. Onions, a little water instead of oil, garlic, oregano and pepper flakes. Combining all of the ingredients, placing them into a food processor for good mixing, and I'm also adding some basil and parsley for additional flavor. In goes the quinoa. I'll also add some tomato paste to the meatballs. And there you have it, tasty and delicious meatballs. Yum. Full of flavor, ready to be sauteed and then baked. All right, here's the final product. The plant-based meatball is delicious, made with black beans and quinoa. Our marinara sauce with our brown rice penne pasta, and on top is a Parmesan cheese made with cashews and nutritional yeast. I'm going to clean this plate. It's so delicious. Delicious. We'll wrap up with our beautiful plant-based meatballs. We have one salad with avocado and another salad with roasted vegetables on top. It's a little bit of my meal prep for the week. I'm Donna Marie, and thank you for joining.